Hello class, today we're going to be going over how to form a trumpet embouchure. So first off, we're going to start by gripping the mouthpiece correctly. So what I think we should do is we're going to put our thumb on the bottom here, and we're going to place our top two fingers here. So when they put it against their lips, it really doesn't encourage the students to press too firmly against their lips and then create a bad sound or possibly even damage to the lips themselves. So when forming the embouchure, what you're going to want to do is say M. So let's say it together. M. And what this does really is it kind of makes a nice preset to the embouchure just by forming the lips where they need to be and kind of creating the potential for a nice small aperture right here where you say M, M, be right there. But when you want to do this, you want to make sure you keep your corners firm. And when I say firm, I don't mean like pinching them back and keeping them firm out here or puckering them forward and keeping them firm right here. It's going to be like a nice medium in between the two. So make sure you're going to keep your corners firm and say M. So let's do that together. So let's say M while keeping our corners firm. M. Okay. So let's put the mouthpiece against our mouth. And when we do this, you can look and you can see that there's a hole right here, and we're going to line that up with the aperture of our lips. Now, depending on the lips, it may not be in the center. It could be over here. It could be over here. It really depends from student to student. So let's say M with firm corners, and then we'll set our mouthpiece. M. And so some students, they might have some difficulty getting the sound at first, so what they might do is do a air to sound kind of method. So they'll put the mouthpiece up against their lips, and they'll blow air, and then they'll transition into sound. We'll do that together. And so that's an example of that. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.